Good evening, everyone. Hi, my name is Shweta, and today I am very happy to share my thoughts about my best friend. My best friend is Shobna. She lives in Bhopal. She is so pretty girl. She is also kind-hearted. She has done his study from Bhopal. I met her in my office. We have been friends since 2018. She calls me every day and I also calls you every day and talk hours. She loves traveling, she loves shopping and she loves to party with me.
Uh-huh.
So whenever we meet, we enjoyed a lot. She is like my sister. Thank you so much.
Very good, very good. But I have to say you have committed some mistakes. Your friend is female. You should have used her instead of his in the starting. Or two or three more
Yes.
mistakes you committed, but it's okay. At least you have tried. That's very good. Thank you so much, Sweta ma'am.